Now this question was adapted from Nanhua School, mid-year exams for primary 6. The figure below is formed by a semicircle with center B and two right-angled triangles. Now I can clearly see the semicircle here, okay, and center is ZB, okay. As for the right-angled triangles, we need to identify where are they. So there's one here, a small one. Okay, small one goes from center to the edge of the semicircle. Okay, and there's a larger one, center all the way to the outside parts here. There's a larger right angle triangle. Now the length of AC is 52 cm. Okay, so this is actually your diameter. Alright, when you're going from one end to the other end of the circle, passing through the center, you are known as a diameter. Now find the total area of the shaded parts. Now to do this, we need to figure out what is the area of the semicircle minus away this right angled triangle. That will allow us to find the shaded portions. So this right angled triangle, what is the base, what is the height? Now what we notice is that the right angled triangle starts from the center of the circle and goes to the edge. Center of the circle goes to the edge. So what is that value known as? That is actually the radius. As long as you're going from the center to the edge, you are known as a radius. So first step, we take 52 divided by 2. We're able to find the radius of the semicircle, which happens to be the base and the height of your right angled triangle. So area of small right angle triangle is equals to half times base times height. Three three eight squared cm. Okay, so that is this pink area. And next thing you need to find is the area of the semicircle. Okay, so this will be equals to half pi r squared. Half times pi times radius times radius. So half times, I look at the question for pi. Okay, pi is 3.14 times the radius is 26 times 26. .32 squared cm, and to find the shaded portion, we'll take the semicircle minus away the small right angled triangle. Answer 723.32 squared cm. Final answer for this question.